Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Go On Guitar. We have a new song here, 88RISING and MILLI. It's featuring Jackson Wang. It's called Mind Games. So this one is another song with this one chord progression through the entire song. We love that. It's nice and easy. Don't have to think that much about doing anything else. So just one chord progression, that's it. Also with one strumming pattern. So let's start this one up. Capo needs to be set here on the second fret to have the easiest chords possible. So capo on second, let's go over the chords. The first one will be A. So that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. The next one will be the C sharp minor. So that's a bar chord here. On the fourth fret, that's where you place the bar. And you will skip the last E string. So it's 5 strings from the A string and down, the fourth fret, and then the rest will be 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. We have another bar chord here. It's the F sharp minor. This time you place a bar on the second fret over all strings, and the rest will be 4th on A and 4th on D. And the final chord will be E. And that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. So that's the chord progression, guys. A to C sharp minor, to F sharp minor, and to E. Okay, so let's take a look at the strumming pattern. The first chord was the A, so grab that one. And one strumming around will be down, up, clap, up, down, up. So down, up, clap, up, down, up. It's a pretty long one, but it's pretty logic as well. This clap comes in instead of a down. So if you imagine the clap being a down, then it's just down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. But you replace the third down with a clap, so it will be down, up, and here comes the clap, up, down, up. Okay, so down, up, clap, up, down, up. You will play one of these strumming patterns for each chord, and that's how this song goes through the entire song. So A, 1, C sharp 1, F sharp minor 1, and E 1, like this. So yeah, good luck with this one, guys. Mind Games. Till next time, play tuned.